go, John.
Yeah, it's a shot.
Should I go for a double up, John?
No,
Justin, you're gonna be the one that stopped it.
I haven't caught a fish yet today.
Dude, I'm gonna get smacked.
That hurt. I fell in another hole today. Yeah.
Dude, I'm telling you, over here I'm gonna get
The
smacked.
lineman was catching his bluegill.
Watch this. You ready? Right?
And do that, like right next to that tree.
What?
Don't get spray can.
You say spray cans?
Yeah.
Cans or...
Oh, there's one. There you go.
Justin, you gotta hook it, buddy.
Yeah.
Don't be that person, John.
Yeah, John, don't be that person taking my fish.
I'm sorry, we gotta be Justin's cleanup.
John, don't be.
Justin's cleanup. Watch this. Justin, hold on, wait. I'll be Justin's cleanup. John, right over my line, dude. And I have a fish on. I did.
Justin's over my line.
No, John, why'd you go?
John, leave. You have a spinner. You have a moving bait. Leave.
Wait, what the hell? How did
You're always that guy with the spinner. Like,
Oh no, yeah, you did go over my line.
I literally said that, John.
Man, I'm the guy
John,
doing
I'm
it.
literally gonna kill you.
John, how many fish do you have? 3?
4.
4? Alright, I have...
To be completely honest, I don't think my phone has enough storage. I'm gonna find out where it is again. I had a fish.
I doubt it.
What the fuck?
Justin, I'm gonna cast exactly where you cast. Just so if you miss it, he could grab mine and I actually could get it. There's John with another one. John?
John's catching all the dinkers.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Oh, yo, quick release.
You know what?
I think
Not
I...
quick release, I got him.
Oh, I have one. Oh, I missed him.
You know what? I'm gonna cast right where you were, and I'm gonna catch him.
Alright, nah. You're silly. Justin, I casted 12 times your distance.
I wasn't trying to catch.
You're doing it totally wrong. You gotta let it sink, bud.
I know, watch it just put his...
Oh, I have one. I'm gonna let him eat it. Oh, he's still on.
Hey, man. Is that a fish?
No, I don't think.
You have one.
I have one.
There you go.
Get over here, Timmy.
Little tiny.
I ain't even gonna...
Little tiny boy.
Oh, baby.
That's okay.
We all... Yo, this one has herpes.
I'm just gonna. I'm not interested. What is doing? You guys catch this?
I said it, you watched me! You watched me!
Justin, you have to constantly keep reeling. I even said it for you. I'll get 6 by then.
I know. You might have a whole freaking... Justin, why can't you catch fish, brother?
You're a faggot, that's why.
Justin's getting distracted by his kind. That's gross. No, not yet.
I'm gonna go to this guy over here.
Here, Justin, you could use my rod. Here, buddy, let's trade. There you go, Justin. You could... Oh, my God, Justin has a fish.
Oh, look at this thing now.
Oh, my God, Justin.
Oh my
It's
God.
not a bad one.
It ain't actually. Oh, right in the bottom of the lip. Ow. Alright. This one has herpes too, and
Alright, let him go.
I gotta get him. He bit me. Calm down. It's not coming out, Landon.
Hold on. Give me the fishy.
You can have my fishy.
If it's a movie, boy, I didn't boobies. Okay, John went past this structure. I already pulled a fish out here, though, today. Okay, send her. Oh, shit. Holy shit. I don't know. He's running me, though. I think he's little. Is that a bluegill? PA record bluegill.
Huh?
PA record bluegill.
That thing's ginormous.
He weighs at least a pound.
Look at that little thing.
So, guys, I just caught a monster bluegill.
Blue Gale.
Dude, I hooked him through his nose. Dummy.